into the little kitties.
Cute. Okay, look, don't get her scared.
Don't scare them.
Please roll on it.
Organic catnip.
She loves it.
Peppy's like it too.
They're chewing on it.
This way, someone check it.
Don't tell me that they're eating it. They're not
Oh,
eating.
look, see, they
Sissy,
get right
do
over. She get right away on it.
Mom, more.
Look.
Mom, what happens to cats when they have catnip?
Do they like calm down or something?
They just love it. I don't know why.
They love it every day. This is the best day of their life.
So cute, bud. Here, Mom, can I hand out?
Just a puzzle on it.
Give them more. Sprinkle it.
I know, Mom, but can I put some on?
This is a perfect kitty treat.
Just a pinch.
It's just a perfect little kitty treat.
Sissy, look, I got a cat.
They're
It's
fighting.
not supposed to be fighting, guys. Just get on there and chill.
Stop it.
Okay, come on.
Yummy, Asiago. Now the towel's teared.
Oh, bless you,
She
baby.
sneezed. You're not allergic to
I think she
catnip.
sometimes sneezes. Oh, she's happy, all right.
Oh, so cute. She's rolling on it, Mom.
I'm so happy I could do exactly what a cat does.
I wish I want to be a cat. I still not live. She's so in it. She's so angry.
Cheesy.
It's catnip. Better try it too.
The cat's going this up.
Oh, Mom.
Cheesy.
Oh, she's so happy.
Cheesy.
Wait, isn't that my work?
You're putting in her camp.
Cheesy.
Oh,
Wait, no, that's her stories.
That's a Roblox story list,
Oh,
right?
wait, Sissy, we could just rewrite the stories.
Good.
It's a different type of paper.
Come here, Mama.
Yummy, yummy.
Wait, let me do.
She's rolling on it.
Cheesy.
Asiago's rolling on it.
Cheesy.
Cheesy. Here.
Oh, he rolly. Wait, what was she doing? She was
She
doing
was
this.
rolling on it. Her
Oh,
face-
boy. Catnip for everyone.
She's rolling.